Hello guys, this is just an introductory video to explain how to use the advanced indicator. So this is for subscribers who have paid for the algorithms package or just the indicator package themselves. So all the actual setup you'll go through with either me or you'll go through with Speechless, and you'll be explained to how to actually set up the indicator on your chart. So this is just a simple tutorial to explain to you how the signals work, why they are the way that they are, and how to trade them. It's all relatively self-explanatory on the indicator itself anyway, but this is just for clarification and sort of tutorial purposes. So after you've had the indicator set up on your chart and you've got the correct settings, there's obviously several different signals that you can receive. The first one I'm going to show you is this one because it's a full example of the entire trade, our entire full trade process. So you can get a sell signal here, and you will wait for candle close, or you should wait for candle close on a sell signal. It will appear during the actual candle itself, but it's always best to wait for the actual 4-hour candle to close. And obviously this is a 4-hour strategy, so the tutorial will be on the 4-hour. So this is ETH US dollar 4-hour. We had the sell signal, waited till the end of the candle, and we've entered a short position here. At which point we need to add a stop loss, and the system's default stop loss and what your settings will be is 5%. So there's a 5% stop loss there. That's the standard setting, and it's what works best in my back testing. Obviously, if you're renting the indicator, you're free to use whatever settings you want for stop losses, as per your own capital management, but that's what I use and that's what the system uses, so that's what you'll be told to have as a default setting. So you've had your sell, you've got a 5% stop loss, and take profit 1 is at 2%. Once take profit 1 gets hit, and then take profit 2 at 5% gets hit, you'll move your stop loss down to entry. So this now means that you've secured yourself a profit of up to 5% there, plus your first take profit at 2%, and then you've moved your stop loss to entry, at which point obviously the trade is just running free. After that you'll move down, you get take profit 3 at 10%, take profit 4 at I believe 15%, and take profit 5 I think at 20%. We'll double check those stats now just to be sure. Yeah, so 2, 5, 10, 20 and 25% take profit 5. Once take profit 5 has been hit, that's the trade closed. You can close at any point along here if you like to, that's up to you, but this is just the default setting. So take profit 5, your trade will be closed. And the exact same occurs on the inverse on buy signals. Same here, buy signal, 5% stop loss, take profit 1. At take profit 2 we move our stop loss to entry, and then we wait for take profit 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so it's simple enough to use. If you ever have any questions, you can always contact me or Speechless, or you can email me. All that information is on Discord or on my Twitter profile.